Stop doing crunches. They hurt your neck. Do these 4 exercises instead. They work your full stomach area. You can do them at home, no equipment needed. Exercise 1. Elbow to knee sit-up. Lie on your back. Bend your knees. Put your hands behind your head. Sit up and touch your elbow to the opposite knee. Lower down and switch sides. Exercise 2. Standing ab twist. Stand with your feet apart. Hold your arms straight in front. Twist your body left and right. Keep your stomach tight. Exercise 3. Wipers with straight legs. Lie flat on your back. Lift both legs straight up. Lower them to one side. Bring them back up and switch sides. Move slow. Exercise 4. Lying leg raise. Lie on your back. Place your hands under your hips. Lift both legs up. Lower them slowly. Do not touch the floor. If you enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and save this workout. Do it once a day. Follow for more simple abs exercises.